Good morning, Famsters. Hope you're having a great day. It is another glorious sunny day today in Cyprus, isn't it, Dad? It's hot already.
Absolutely beautiful as usual.
Yeah, hot already. Talia isn't dressed yet. Hi, Talia. She's got teeth brushed, but she's tired.
Yeah, because I was up in the middle of the
Coughing, weren't you?
I couldn't breathe, I don't know why.
No, she was coughing. So she's going to get ready in a minute, and we think we might head off to the beach. But you've got to get the stuff ready.
Also, I've got this flipping massive bite on my leg and it's driving me.
Another one. Well, the salt water will do that good anyway.
It's really itchy.
And Theo is out here and he's fixing Nan and Grandad's cupboard today, aren't you, Theo?
Yeah, it's gone rotten, look.
The hinge.
Broke off, no, the timbers broke off at the top, so we're putting some, Theo's putting some hinges on and repairing it all.
So Theo's doing some handyman work while he's here, aren't you, Theo?
Keep the drill turning.
Learning some new skills as well.
Well done, brilliant.
Oh my gosh, guys, we was just getting ready, me and Mum in here, and there was a little baby kitten in the room. We turned round, right, we was in this room here, and we turned round and the kitten was right here, and I was like, oh, there's a kitten in here. It was a little Simba man. I don't know where he's gone now. I think Mum got him out, but it was so funny. We thought the cat had got out, right, we were just getting ready. Look, Simba! How did you get back in? I thought the door was shut. No way, wait. Hey, let's have a look. Where is he?
Suitcase wants to come out with me.
Where is he?
Out.
Simba. Oh my gosh. Simba. Get out, he's coming behind you, he's coming behind you. I'm on the flipping bed. Oh. She just slipped on me. The cat man. How did he get back in? Seriously?
Flipping cat, man. Nearly broke me neck.
I saw him jump on the bed, man.
While I've been doing all that cupboard, let's see what Talia's been doing. Talia? Oh no. What are you doing? Look at your suitcase. Oh, Talia.
What?
Come on. What a mess.
It's been like that for days.
Oh, and your hair? What's going on with your hair? Oh my gosh. Look at me, look at me. Bro, that's crazy.
All I've done is got dressed.
Come on, we need to go.
I have to all my bikinis because they've all gone flipping funny. I don't know what, even this one has.
Okay, come on then, let's go. Your hair.
Okay, so we're packing up the car because we're going to the beach, right? I think you already know that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Come on, we gotta be over.
Let me show them again. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But listen, I've brought up different bikinis because this bikini, I've had a different bikini on, trying to get a tan line, and I have got one, but now this bikini's got massive tan lines, so I don't know if I'm gonna change it or not. I can't really be bothered.
But we've also got to bring dry clothes.
Yeah.
Bring towels, if that's bring toiletries.
Well, don't Theo. Theo's shutting the boot on my head.
But look, you got a little stopper.
Oh, stop, man! You're gonna mess up my bunion. I've really tried to like tie it up about 20 times. Okay, so we stopped off at McDonald's because we haven't had any breakfast. I've got a 9 chicken nugget meal.
9 chicken nuggets, wow.
I know, I asked for a chicken
Chips
nugget
are
meal.
massive, the drinks are
I've got
massive,
me a
everything's
9
massive. I've got a double quarter pounder, right? Cornio, plain, 2 chips and a Coke. What have you got, Mum?
Double cheeseburger, plain, only cheese and some chips.
Cornio, and Dad in the end, what have you got?
Horrible burger with everything
Double
on
cheese.
it.
Horrible burger, everything goes.
And orange juice.
Nice.
So we just arrived at the beach. We finally found which spot that we usually go to. It's Oceana. But oh my gosh, guys, it's roasting hot. I need to check the temperature, man. It's actually roasting, and it said that your UV is going to be extreme today.
34 degrees right now in the car.
In the car.
Yeah.
It's going to be unbelievable. Also, guys, I'm debating changing my bikini because
Again, come on, let's just go.
Oh, they've got the water course there now.
What?
Obstacle course in the water.
Oh yeah, they got obstacle course. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, bet! There's a trampoline on there, guys.
Quick, go.
Ooh.
that about your defeat? Have a winner.
We're the king of the castle. Oh, cool, yeah. Look, there's a load of fish there. Can you see? There's like little blue ones. We can't see them the best. We can kind of see them.
No, oh my gosh, guys, that spinny thing was so fun. I've never been on one of those before, but it was epic.
Yeah.
It was like so fun.
You tipped on purpose.
No, you tipped it. I said to Theo, don't tip it, and he went ahead and did it. I thought it was going to land on me.
Yeah, but you got to try stay on, and then like you got to hold on, and then you start turning. That's why you flip.
And this seesaw's really fun too.
Yeah.
So cool.
This is epic.
I know, I love it. Theo's gonna try and walk over this somehow. Really? Yep, go on. Oh! He did it, but he fell last moment. Wait, okay.
Charlie's turn, there's no way she's gonna do it. She's gonna fail.
No! That's famous, isn't that it?
You got dunked.
Let's go on the trampoline.
Nice one, done.
Hey!
Nice one. Well done, that was good.
Look at this! Wow!
Mom, did I see something? So, what do you see, Dad? Little place, I think. Yeah, I saw about two big ones, like that, but maybe it's a full circle. And then I swam about, maybe one, no, I would say, until that wave there, but you can't really tell. I swam quite far out, and then I saw a stingray. I'm not joking, a stingray. It's about that big.
I don't know, I saw two things for you. I saw two little things for you.
It's absolutely crazy. No, their place.
Ah.
Yeah, they're really nice.
I want to see the stingray.
But the stingray was like that. I can't believe it. But I didn't want to go too close because I saw a video of one like bang, it's like this, and they're attacking them like.
Guys, literally under the trampoline, wait and see what's going to happen. It's like a whole like, I don't even know, we're all chanting. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, no, we're in the middle. We're in the trampoline.
These are new friends, by the way.
What's your name again? Damiano.
It is the loudest scream ever. Show us your scream again.
Honestly.
Well, here's Luca. So, scream. Oh my god. That's good. Ah.
What the flip? It's around my leg. Oh. It's around my leg. What's the point?
Splashing the water everywhere. That was crazy. No!
The sunset went, oh, that's
I know, yeah.
sure.
It was crazy. Say hi. Hi. Hey, good day. Wait. I have my brother.
Go. Yo, what was that? Go. Yo, I almost landed on it. That was literally the best I ever had. So much fun.
Oh my gosh, guys, we met those two kids, right? We was under the trampoline and we met Luca and...
Yeah, we were under there for the first time and then like, this kid came under,
and
Luca,
he started speaking Greek and we thought he was Greek because he looked Greek.
He said like,
He
oh
said
my gosh,
something to his
yeah, he
friend
said that in English. I was like, whoa.
Theo said, are you English?
Yeah.
And then he was like, yeah, and we became friends and we started talking. Yeah. And then we met another little kid, I forgot how to say his name.
He came under and he started screaming, so I don't know, we just like...
That little boy, he has the lungs, like, it has...
Yeah, honestly, you saw it, it's crazy
screaming. So loud, it was so funny. Yeah. And like, Luca and that was so funny too, we was all having mud fights and everything, it was so funny, like, we was tricking, one of the, I don't know, the older people, we was tricking them, like, going under and everything.
Yeah, going under and then, like, I didn't,
Also guys, they were really nice, it was really nice meeting them.
Yeah,
like,
it was epic.
We just got a photo with them too, which was really cool.
Yeah. We're just looking for somewhere to eat and look at this. There's a praying mantis right on the floor.
Oh my gosh, Theo.
Man, I think he's dead.
No, that's not even funny. I thought it was going to be some little thing. No, it's alive, it's alive.
Oh, it's alive? I think he's had a cat, scrap with a cat.
Oh my gosh, man.
No, it's not moving.
I thought
That's
it was
massive.
This little thing and you show me that. That's insane.
That's right, that's the full size. Sorry, couldn't tell you what we had there, but they were blasting out some Greek music when they're like, which is nice, but we just couldn't hear ourselves talk. Anyway, now let's get some dessert.
Pudding has arrived. Lenny's got a simple ice cream cone.
Did you say you didn't like caramel?
While the rest of us have a very nice caramel sundae.
Oh yeah, this is, we don't get them in England as you probably know.
And Lenny's feeling quite deprived.
I literally haven't had one of these since I was
Did you not like caramel though?
He doesn't like caramel. And when he came, he was like a sad cat, sad puppy actually. I was like, where's my